3783 White Ivory. No wood to maintain framing the garage, so that's nice. This wood could be repainted though. You may have noticed junk in both neighbors' yards on both sides of us. Paint is it's okay. It doesn't feel fresh, it feels older, so that's a Jenny call on whether she would want it repainted for that reason. So we have ceramic tile that's actually in pretty good shape. We have a lot of windows in here, so it's 1, 2, 3. If we want to replace those with the faux wood verticals. Sink is nice. 4. So 4 windows in here. Very interesting layout. 5 windows. This concrete's a little small, but it's nice that there is some concrete and there are some rocks, and a patio overhang. Six windows. The paint's overall in fine condition, so we might be able to get away with just a touch-up. That's a Jenny call though. Carpet is fine overall too. We have these sliders, presumably to provide privacy and to block the light a little bit from the master bath to the master bed. There we go. This tile is actually in good condition. Cabinets are fine too. Double doors into the master. This is probably the laundry. Ow! Sorry. That looks like vinyl. Some overhead storage. This counter looks fine too. The sink looks fine. Faucet looks fine. This room's fine. Paint, carpet. So it's I lost track of the windows. Sorry. So that's 1, 2. So it's 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 windows out here. Then we have 6, 7, 8, 9 windows. Okay, so this may be used as a bedroom, but it's not technically a bedroom because there's no closet. But it is a room that you can completely shut off for privacy, and it's right off the bathroom that we just exited and the main entrance of the home. Walking down this hallway is the garage. So you can lock it. Okay, well, another day. So interesting layout, and that's the kitchen. See what Jimmy thinks.